This is the rock lights that are going to go inside the wheel wells. It's an 8-pack, so it's 2 per wheel well. Let's take a look inside and see what we got. It's the best I can do laying it out, but of course you got your instruction manual, bunch of stickers, your 8 lights that are encased in metal. I mean, these aren't plastic. Your installation bolts. Guess this is the control module that hooks up to your phone and then controls all the lights. The switch for inside and some like rubber weatherproof bushings. Here's the wiring diagram. It's pretty simple. Shows you kind of how to run the wires. All right, so I'm going to try to show you the van and the app at the same time here. All right, let's take a look at this app. So you can change the color just by pointing anywhere on this wheel. You can change the brightness. You can change the strobe effect, more or less. And then you also got a couple different preset. This is like a long, what they're saying long click, but a fade, different, quicker fade. And then you can see what that does. You can also change how quick the lights change by toggling here. You can also customize it with these 5 extra spots there. You can add what you want, and then you just have to tap on it. And here they are playing with the music. Little Michael Jackson for your enjoyment.
Make it cool, MICTUNING.